Move this a little bit closer so they can smell it.
Move your arm a little bit away from the wall so they could jump on it. Go ahead.
You want one of these?
It's scratching his head.
Ooh, wow.
This one just flew over.
Yeah.
Wow, that's funny. You think they're like unsure of children? How come they're flying to the adults? Maybe they know that like the littler ones freak or something? You know what I mean? Like maybe their experience has been that the adults, they don't go near the kids, you notice?
Yeah, I noticed that.
That's interesting. I wonder if kids typically freak out. I don't have any food. I'm trying not to... No, don't bite me.
No bite.
He's biting me. I don't have food.
I didn't see your hand.
I don't know if I really want the food. I'm nervous.
Okay.
Just wanted to see if he would come on my finger. How about you?
How about you?
Look, Drew's doing such a good job. I think they're scared of kids. Go ahead, he wants to. He was going to try. I think they're scared of kids, Drew. I really do.
He's going to scratch you.
He's nervous. He wants his mommy. See, Devin?
Oh,
Look at his tongue. You see his tongue? It curls out.
maybe if he gets used to me a little bit because I'm seeing him. He's saying, oh my God.
Come here, Dev.
They're talking.
Hello. Devin, he's talking. Devin, what did he say?